Sorry, guys. What is up, everyone? Today's Friday, August 7th. It's Friday, baby. And we're going to try to end the week on a positive note. The balance of the account for pure transparency is 413. Yesterday, we hit our personal daily loss limit, which is set at 350. The week, we are down minus 325, actually. After this losing day, I switched my PDLL to 350. So yesterday we hit that, and today we're looking for, a profitable day. So we can go into next week with some momentum, and we can go into next week hoping for a cash out. Guys, I've been grinding this XFA since July the 9th. And hey, we're just trying to be a little bit better every single day, right? Um, I went ahead and marked our pre-market high. I went ahead and marked our pre-market low. If you look at the 30-minute chart, which I always do in the beginning, you see, you know, kind of a consolidation, and then since about 11 p.m., a steady uptrend with this big candle right here at 7:30, and now it's kind of coming back to the support level here. So we'll have to watch that on the 30-minute chart. On the 1-minute chart, we see a decline from 754, right? And then right now a little bit of chop here, and everything is trading below the VWAP, right? Where's the VWAP? VWAP, where are you? Oh, VWAP's right here. So we're still trading above the VWAP, it looks like. So we're trading above the VWAP. RSI is at 30.29, meaning that it's oversold kind of. The 21 EMA is on top of the 9 EMA, meaning we're looking for sell opportunities, but at the same time we're looking for buy opportunities because this is trading above the VWAP. So right now it's just kind of seeing where the market goes and how we can react. It's just about reactions right now, and the market opens in 20 seconds. Guys, I'm gonna follow a simple rule. Yesterday I broke it. I did not take my profits today. If I see something, I will take my profits because I ain't down to lose today. I'm not gonna get greedy. I'm gonna take profits even if it's small. We're gonna make back some money today. Let's go, baby. So the first candle, we just kind of patiently wait and see what's going on with it. Remember, we only have $350 drawdown, so we have to be, at the same time, we don't want to hesitate, right? We'll let the first candle do what it's gonna do, and then go from there. Remember, I do only like to trade the first half hour of the New York Open. Anything above and beyond that, I do not like. I'm good at the first couple candles, and that's what I've been doing for my entire trading career, and it's been working because I'm normally in and out. Like I said, we take our money and run, right? So first candle is about to close here. In about 4 seconds, here's the VWAP still, okay? Trading above the VWAP. Let's see what the second candle does here. Excuse me. Just drinking my tea. So this is the second candle. Right, still the 9 EMA, the 21 EMA is still above the 9 EMA. The overall trend of the market, the VWAP is right here. So overall trend of the market is up, which I do believe will continue to rise. So you know what, honestly, there is strength here, so we're gonna buy down here, okay, and we're gonna take what the market gives us, right? Remember, we're not gonna get greedy. We'll take that. Okay, that's $42. Remember, we're not getting greedy today. We're just gonna take a couple quick scalps, right? Because yesterday, what happened when we got greedy? We lost out. Now let's see if this candle would have been going higher and higher. We lost out on money, but that's okay. We can't think like that because we got to take what's guaranteed. And right now, that 42 bucks for us was guaranteed, and we took it. And I'm okay with that. That's a good start for the day, right? First trade plus 42 bucks, beautiful. Now we see how this candle closes. If it pulls back, we'll buy again. Easy as that. Okay. We have this conviction, strong conviction, then we just hold it. Okay, I feel like there is conviction if it pulls back. Oh, so I mean, are you telling me that when we bought here, we could have just held it? It would have been a winner. Yeah, it looks like it. That's okay. That's pretty funny, actually. We did buy here. If we just held that one candle, that would have been like a $500 trade, but that's completely fine. That's okay. We can't get caught up in that because we did make $42, and that's completely fine. If it pulls back nicely, then we'll hop back in. We'll hop back in right there. Pretty good pullback, right? There it is. We'll take that. We're up 136 bucks. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And now we wait for one more pullback because I think if the direction of the market is moving up, we can capitalize on these upswings quite a bit until it starts redirecting down, reversing. So let's see what happens here. Okay, if it pushes down, we can probably, we're gonna go in for 2 contracts now. So now if we it's very tight for us now, okay? So if it pushes down here, we're gonna buy. Okay, we're gonna just hold it for a bit, push down right here, we're buying. Okay, we're in right there. Not the best spot, we're only in for 2 though. Very nice. Hold that a little bit, put this to break even or $7 and just take whatever, or just let it go a little bit because it is going up. I'll just take that. Should we take it? Whatever, we made $7, that's okay. See how this candle closes here. If it pushes way down, we can always buy here for a pullback once it keeps dropping, which it looks like it will. Hey, good thing we set that, right? We set the take profit and it worked out in our favor. I made a video about this yesterday. Upwards trend, right? Minor pullback to about here and then continues upward. Could happen, or it could be a complete reversal, so we have to see and react. Where's the VWAP? See and react. Also, at the same time, to be honest, man, $141. It's quite okay for us, to be honest. I mean, it's Friday, and right. But look at it's reversing. So, knowing it's reversing, and if it's closing below all the EMAs, and it's going to continue to drop towards the VWAP, we can get in a sell here, but we keep it very tight. We're only in for 2 micros now, right? We're not in for 3 because we want to protect what we made. But this is interesting, right? We have the 8:30 open and an upwards shoot for about 1, 2, 3, or 5 candles, and now we have a very, very strong candle here, making a push towards the VWAP. So if you want in terms of personal daily loss limit, now today I have 350 plus 140 to work with, so that's about $500. I have $500 to work with, so I'm willing to risk 500 to make like an extra couple hundred. Like I'm okay with that, right? Because I'm okay with it. I'm just okay with it. And right now, since it's past all the EMAs, we can have a nice sell order here on a pullback right there. I was waiting for it to go a little bit higher, but that's okay. we'll get out of this one. Well, that's trash. Move a little bit too fast. If it goes back up, we can sell again. Maybe one contract's better. I should have just waited, to be honest. Let's see how this candle closes, and then we're gonna come in. Let's see, so was that the pullback? Was this the pullback, and now it's going to continue rising up? I'm going to go in there for a buy, to be honest, because I think it's going to rise. And then whatever happens here, we're going to take our money. We'll take that. Okay, so we're up 71 bucks. Right, if you shrink it, upwards trend, there's the pullback, and then it might continue rising, right? That's what we're looking for. So we're looking for one more buy opportunity, and then we're just gonna call it a day, because it is what it is. Small wins are good wins. Our peak value was 140 bucks. It pushes down. I'm gonna go in for a buy. Keep it tight. Oh, we missed it. We were supposed to buy right there. If it happens again, we're gonna do it. Ah, that's okay. I wanted to buy here a little bit. Oh. Decided to drop a lot. Decided to drop a lot for some reason. Oh shit, I bought two more. Oh man, what the fuck am I doing? I did not want to buy two more. That is so stupid. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What the fuck happened? I did not want to add two more there. That is so bad. I fucked that up. I fucked that up so bad. Come on, go back up, please. Oh my god, I thought that was at one, man. Hopefully it works out in our favor. Man, I'm such an idiot. What the fuck am I doing? Come on, go back up. It should, right? Bro, that's why you gotta be so careful, man. This is so stupid, man. Oh, Jesus. This is so stupid. In for 4 contracts when I was supposed to be in for like 2 is fucking nuts. I just hope this works out in my favor one time so I can just get out of this or make some money and run away. Please go up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Push up like crazy. You got this. You got this. Close green. Close green. Close green, please. It's not gonna close green. It's gonna hit my daily loss limit probably. And then I'm gonna go cry all weekend. Pretty much. That's what's gonna happen. Or I can just get out of this. Call it a day. Fuck it. Bruh. It's actually so annoying. That's so stupid. Dude, I only wanted to trade 2 and then I accidentally pressed. How much are we in for now? We're 3? Oh my god, this is so dumb. I should have just stopped. I was up 170, man. What am I doing? This is gross. Well, we know the direction of the market's going down, so fuck, man, fucking garbage. Sometimes trading's so frustrating, man. But it is what it is. That's trading for you, right? Nothing's ever easy. If it was easy, everyone on the planet would be doing this shit, right? So I'm gonna put in a sell because, yeah. So you're telling me if I just held there, I would have got it back pretty much. Frustrating, very, very frustrating. Bruh, even with that 4 contracts, I would have got it right back right there. I should have just held it. But I panicked. Once again, I panicked. What's the direction of this stupid market right now here? There's this resistance level right here. Is it gonna hit it, go back down? I don't know what's gonna happen. I should have just stopped when I was up 140. I would have been done. I would have been at the gym already, right? I would have, for real. I would have been at the gym. We can probably just fucking buy here and then just hope for the best, right? I think it's going to continue rising, so we're just going to buy there and then hopefully it just goes up. And yeah, we'll take that, 75 bucks. And then wait for another pullback and just do it again. And just do it again and do it again. We have 2. Oh, we should have just held that one too, man. I knew, fuck. Sometimes, I won't hold long enough, then I get fucked. So here's the resistance level, right? Let's see what happens here. It's making a downwards push, so we can always buy on this pullback here, push down. I'll buy there, whatever, it goes up. If it doesn't, we're just gonna let this ride. If I hit my DLL, I hit it. Hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully I hit some profit instead. I'm just gonna let it go at this point because whatever, it is what it is. I messed up, I should have stopped. Again, I should have just took my profit and ran like I normally do, but I got greedy. I don't know what I was thinking. I just can't wait for, yeah, garbage, complete garbage. And that's, the thing that stings about this, it's Friday. So what did we do wrong? I was up 170 and I kept trading, and that's my downfall. This was probably one of my worst weeks ever. Absolute worst. Like at 600 something like that. Okay, next week is gonna be different. Next week we're gonna stick to the trading plans, and we still have 600 drawdown. And I should have just stopped today. This is full transparency, man. Oh boy. Whatever, man. Love you guys. Have a good weekend.